Kaysee, and we are going to trim her hair. You said an inch?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to do an inch, and I'm super excited to show you guys her color as soon as we get it dry. So what you want to do, I'm having her stand just because on my chair, her hair's so long that it hits the chair, so we have to have her stand so we can get it nice and even. Okay, so you always put their head down, and then I'll turn you this way, sorry. Okay, and then just comb it straight down. Okay, then you're going to come straight across. Okay, and that's 1 inch. That will look so good, Kaysee. That'll be just enough to keep it nice and healthy. Okay, now I'm going to come to this side. I'm leaving her head down. Sorry, I'm turning a little bit so they can see this. Hopefully you guys can see that. Her hair's kind of blending into the cape, so hopefully you can see that. Okay, and then make sure, you know, her head is up a little bit when you come to do the sides, which taking the inch off is actually kind of blending, and we're just barely trimming her front. So that's nice. Then you always want to double check, hold to the side and make sure both sides are even. Perfect. Okay, and then same thing, you just hold it in the back, make sure they're both even. Okay, perfect. All right, now I'll move this back. Okay, go ahead and sit there, please. No, you don't like texture, right? You like it just smooth. Okay, perfect. All right, so what we are going to do, new product, I'm super excited. This protects your hair. It's a thermal protectant styling shield. And you only need just a couple little squirts. And then this protects up to 450 degrees on your flat iron. So that's incredible. And, yeah, it does smell delicious. Oh, that's cute. It's delicious. That's a good way to say it. I love it. That's so cute. Okay, and then I'm going to put this on her split ends. What this does is it makes it, the split ends just like, it just slicks them down. It's the split end mender, and it's called Rejuva beads. And you can get these off of my link. So if you need any of these products, you can email us or message me, whatever. I would love to help you get some. So the Rejuva beads, the split end mender, literally like slicks your hair down. So it's incredible. All right, now we are going to dry her. Yeah, it almost smells like kind of a beach, huh? Yeah. Kind of a beachy smell. It's yummy. All right, this is going to be a fun color. Just lighten it through her ends. You know, you can check that out, and then that makes it super easy for you guys to get them ordered. These are awesome. I use this when I style my hair, and you can use it when you have long hair. So, and it combs out way, way nice. exciting. Yeah, so we've taken her from blonde to dark. Then we put a little bit of red in it last time, and now we lightened her ends. So she keeps changing. She's a true woman. We like to change. Right, Kaysee? Yes. Yeah, I'm really excited about this. It's going to be it'll be a good change. You guys can probably see that. Can you see how it's light? Now when I washed Kaysee's hair, I used the volume shampoo, which expands your hair strands up to 33%, so it makes your hair fuller. And then I used an intense repair conditioner, which has a lot of moisture in it because after lightening her ends, she needs some moisture in those ends. So that's what I washed her with. Looking so pretty. You can see the dark and then see how it kind of fades into the light. It's super pretty. I'm trying to keep her away from the mirror so she can wait to see the very end. Okay, let me make sure you're good and dry. Oh my gosh. Fun. So you can see on the video when I showed how to put the color on, see how I put some up and then down a little. That just helps it so it's not like a, you know, super straight line. Okay, now I'm just going to take 2 drops of my oil. Never mind, I'm just going to do it this way because it's almost out. So, okay, so 2 little drops of oil. Rub it in my hands real good, and then you just put it throughout your hair. This adds shine, and it makes it super smooth. And it holds down flyaways. Any little flyaways. All right, okay, so I'm going to turn you around to the mirror. Do you like?
That was good.
Fun. I'm excited when we curl it. We're going to curl it too. That will show it off more. But you can see how that's light from her dark. So anyway, super fun. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for supporting us. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we appreciate it so much. And we will chat with you later. Thank you. See ya.